Do you have a high technical aptitude? Are you interested in troubleshooting and fixing problems? Have you got good communication skills? Can you follow health and safety procedures in a factory environment? If you have answered yes to these questions, the occupation of clothing, footwear, and leather processing machine mechanic might be the one for you. These mechanics set up, adjust, maintain, and repair industrial sewing machines or other machines used in the production of clothes, footwear, and leather. The types of equipment on which machine mechanics work are varied. The machinery in these plants must be regularly maintained. Breakdowns and subsequent delays while the machine is being repaired can be costly for the company. Preventative maintenance is, therefore, a large part of a mechanic's job. Often, potential breakdowns can be identified before any real damage or delays occur. The operators or mechanics may notice that a machine is vibrating, rattling, or squeaking, or that the items produced are defective in some way. These days, machinery is built with programmed internal diagnostic systems that checks the accuracy and condition of the equipment. This helps the mechanics, but it also makes them responsible for maintaining the checkup systems. The mechanics carry out routine inspections of the equipment. They oil and grease moving components and clean and replace worn parts. They use a wide range of tools when carrying out their duties. These include power and hand tools and precision measuring instruments. If a breakdown does occur, the mechanic may have to strip the machine to make the necessary repairs. They replace worn bearings, adjust clutches, and replace and repair defective parts. Spare parts may have to be ordered from the manufacturer. After the machine is reassembled, they may have to make adjustments to its operational settings. They often work with the machine's regular operator to test it. When repairing electronically controlled machinery, mechanics work closely with electronic repairers or electricians who maintain the machine's electronic parts. Often, the mechanic is trained to do work on these systems too. They keep detailed maintenance records for the equipment they service and repair. These mechanics work in all types of clothing, footwear, and leather processing manufacturing plants. They frequently work with greasy, dirty equipment. Because machinery is not always easily accessible, mechanics may have to work in stooped or cramped positions. They must ensure that they follow safety protocols and guidelines when working on machinery. Although there are no formal entry requirements for this occupation, experience as a worker in the textile industry is often an advantage. Training as a mechanic in other industries would also be favorable. On-the-job training is given for the specific equipment to be maintained. As this occupation is registered as a trade, after training, an apprenticeship needs to be completed. With experience, progression to supervisory positions is possible. Advancement in the textile industry may involve becoming machine operator trainers. Progression to other areas such as quality control or research and development is also possible. Some mechanics choose to leave the textile industry and use their skills with other types of production equipment. Further training would be required in such instances.